Hello guys, Different One here, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace a primer bulb on the Homelite SX135 Bandit, crafted in the USA. Here's the newer primer bulb, and we're going to go ahead and replace it here real quick. Just got to take these two screws off. They can be tight sometimes. Watch it, because some gas might leak out. Get these unscrewed here. For the most part, it's going to be simple and easy. Just take that top gasket part off, pull the old primer bulb off, and if you can see, it's really cracked. Go ahead and slide your new primer on there. Go ahead and stick your top gasket on. Go ahead and slide it on in there. Slide your primer bulb in there. Slide in nice and easy. Slide your screws on in there. Go ahead and stick it on down in there. So it's nice and tight and it goes on. I'm going to go ahead and screw it down. On both sides. It's going to be a real simple, easy installation too. Anyways guys, that's how you replace the primer bulb on your Homelite Bandit SX135. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please comment or subscribe for more videos. Peace.